This is Porsche's first electric SUV, the Macan 4. It comes with all-wheel drive, 408 horsepower at 650 Nm of torque, and it accelerates from 0 to 100 kph in 5.2 seconds. So guys, the trunk offers 540 liters of storage space. The lower compartment, as you can see, becomes unusable when you opt for the BOSE sound system. So folding the rear seats, it increases the capacity to 1348 liters. So guys, you can add optional a tow bar. It can tow up to 750 kilograms unbraked and 2000 kilograms braked. The Macan's 100 kilowatt battery charges at 11 kilowatt AC or 270 kilowatt DC, while the second charging port on the other side supports only up to 11 kilowatt AC. So with my 1.83 meters, I can fit my feet under the front seat, but it's not exactly roomy back here. We have here the air vents and two USB-C ports and an armrest with two cup holders. Yeah, guys, it's nothing special. So guys, at the front we see Porsche's iconic nose and standard LED headlights, which you can upgrade to Matrix LEDs. The top module features Porsche's 4-point daytime running lights and indicators, while the bottom handles the main beams and high beam assist. And guys, finally, an EV with a relatively big frunk. The 84-liter frunk can hold easily a sports bag or your charging cables. This car sits on 22-inch RS Spider wheels, which is painted in black, but the Macan 4 comes standard with 20-inch wheels. So guys, these side panels or side blades are usually black plastic, but can be painted to match the exterior, just like on this car. So in the rear we have the adaptive spoiler, which automatically activates during launch control or at higher speeds. But you can also control it through the central display. The doors combine plastic and leather, not what I expect from Porsche. Guys, is this just a Macan or a new trend? Let me know in the comments. The ambient lighting changes with drive modes and can be customized. It also has lights that warn about lane changes and exit dangers. We have here a 12.6-inch curved display for all driving info, the 10.9-inch infotainment screen, of course supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And guys, there is also an optional third 10.9-inch display for the passenger, allowing your co-pilot to access navigation or stream videos. And guys, thanks to a special coating, the driver can't see this screen. You can charge your phone over here, and when you close the lid, the ventilation starts to cool your device while charging. It's pretty clever. You'll also find an extra storage space and two cup holders over here. And we have here the glove box. So guys, these are the optional adaptive sport seats and are adjustable in 18 ways. They come standard with a seat heating, but ventilation is an extra. The Porsche logo on the headrest is an option. Alright guys, let's take this beauty for a spin. Smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you think about the Macan 4. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next one.
Navigeer naar Porsche Rotterdam.
Wil je Porsche Centrum Rotterdam als tussenbestemming toevoegen of wil je de huidige routebegeleiding vervangen?
De huidige route vervangen.
Start de routebegeleiding.
Well, for a car like this, the wipers are very cheap. What do you think, guys? Let's try that again.